Factors affecting resistance. Factors affecting resistance. Abi? Thank you. First and foremost, resistance is what? The opposition of what? Current. The first one I say is what? Length. Length. Yes, son. Length. Look up here. My resistance is directly proportional to what? L. Can you see it? That means the higher the length, the longer the length, of the wire, the higher the what? Resistance. Look up here. So my R is now what? KL. If I make K solve a formula, if I make K solve a formula, that will become over L, right? That is my K is now what? R over L. So that will become what? R1 over what? L1 equals to what? R2 over what? L2. That is the first factor. The second factor, number 2. The second factor, the next one is what? Area, cross-sectional area. Cross what? Sectional what? Area. Student. The resistance of a wire, stop writing first. The resistance of a wire is inversely proportional to the what? Cross-sectional area. Student, when something is inversely proportional, what does it mean? It means one will grow big, the other one will grow what? Small. The other one is growing small like this. But if it's directly proportional, they are going up or coming down together. Now, my resistance is inversely proportional to what? Area. Student, if I bring in my constant K, my R is now equals to what? Over A. Therefore, my K is now what? RA. So what do I have? R1, A1 equals to what? R2 what? A2. Now, I want to combine this and this. Look up. The first one, if I'm combining this one, equation 1, and this equation there, if I'm combining this, now, my resistance, the first one I say resistance is what? Directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to cross-sectional what? Area. Student, this is it. Now, I'll bring in my what? Constant. Somebody say constant. Somebody say constant. Now, this constant now I'm going to bring will not be constant K. It will be something like this, rho. It will become LA. Student, where this thing like this, rule, is called resistivity. Somebody say resistivity. Yes, it's called what? It's called what? Resistivity. Student, and this resistivity, what is the unit? I have told you how to find unit in physics. If I make this one a solve formula, what will it become? Rho is now what? RA over what? Over L. Abi? If I cross multiply and divide by L, Abi? So what is the unit for R? Ohms. Abi? What is the unit for area? Meter square. Abi? Meter square over, what is the unit for length? Meter. Abi? Thank you, meter. Do you agree that this one will cancel one of these? So the unit for resistivity is what? Ohms. Ohms what? Meter. The unit for resistivity is now equal to what? Ohms meter. Write that. So the two factors, length and cross-sectional area. The resistivity is directly proportional to what? The length, and inversely proportional to what? The cross-sectional area. When you write that, we will now go to what? Conductivity. If resistivity is something, then what will be conductivity? Opposite of what? Resistivity. Something is resisting current. It means the opposite will be what? Conducting what? Current. Do you get me? Write that.